Our other top story, Bay Area counties getting on the aggressive in hopes of containing the coronavirus outbreak.
We have team coverage on this developing situation. Let's get straight to Andria Borba on lawmakers' push for banning large gatherings. Andria?
Well, Elizabeth and Ken, here at the Chase Center, there is an overhead message that plays on loop telling fans that their safety is important. But in light of the Warriors' decision not to cancel tonight's game, it has some state and local lawmakers questioning that. It is business as usual at San Francisco's Chase Center. There are signs up on all entrances asking fans to monitor their health in advance of tonight's Warriors-Clippers game.
Major League Baseball and the NBA put out guidelines to protect their athletes, but not their fans. And I found that curious.
It's something District 3 Supervisor Aaron Peskin also found curious following a city recommendation to cancel all gatherings of over 50 people.
A contrary message is going out because very large-scale events are happening at the Chase Center.
In a statement, the Golden State Warriors said, "We are aware of the recommendations made today by the San Francisco Department of Public Health. We are continuing to monitor the situation and guidelines of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention." Supervisor Peskin says it may be time to move from voluntary compliance to something else.
I am now going to start urging the city leadership to issue emergency orders.
That order would have to come from Dr. Tomas Aragon, Chief Health Officer of the City and County of San Francisco. Here's what he told the Board of Supervisors a short time ago.
We really try to do the least restrictive measure that's going to control the communicable diseases, and we also try to balance the trade-offs between restrictions of individuals and then protecting the community. So we're always trying to make sure that we do the right thing that's going to balance those.
Mayor Breed mentioned coronavirus impacts are taking a toll already on city coffers.
The new reality is that coronavirus is going to have a significant impact on our economy and our revenues and therefore our budget.
Now, there seems to be a bit of a tug of war about whether to issue these recommendations or whether organizations will voluntarily comply with the recommendations. There's a push and pull right there. The city itself has canceled some events inside City Hall, including the ballet, the opera, other events that had over 1,500 people, but other organizations, private organizations, are not falling in line with those recommendations. We know tomorrow afternoon the NBA will be having a conference call on this exact subject, on whether to hold games perhaps even without fans. Live in San Francisco outside the Chase Center tonight, Andria Borba, KPIX 5.